Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to use bKash Personal Payment Gateway to collect donations online. PaymentForm.io is a form-based checkout platform that allows you to create payment forms for various use cases, including donations, fundraising, e-commerce products, events, memberships, and much more. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new form first. Click the Create Your First Form button. Then you will see a list of all available modules and templates here. Next, select the Fundraising template and click the Use Template button to create your form. Step 2. Configure Fundraising Setup. In the Fundraising Setup tab, select BDT, Bangladeshi Taka, from the Currency drop-down menu, since the bKash Payment Gateway only supports payments in BDT. Define your default donation amounts by clicking the plus icon and setting the minimum fundraising amount and target fundraising goal according to your requirements. You can also specify an end date for your campaign. Enabling the custom amount option, it allows donors to enter any amount they wish to donate. Under the fundraising close message settings, you can customize the message that will be displayed when your fundraising campaign ends or successfully reaches its goal. Step 3. Add your form fields. So, go to the Fields tab. Here, you will find 10+ different field types. You can choose and add any fields to your forms to collect the necessary information from each donor. Step 4. Customize the settings. Navigate to the Settings tab. In the Form Settings section, upload a header image and also add a compelling header title along with a short description. Next, you can customize your form's theme settings, including the font family, colors, background, and accent color, according to your preferences. Now it's time to connect your payment gateway. Select your preferred payment gateway from the drop-down menu. If you have not connected a payment gateway yet, go to the Payment Gateway page and connect your preferred payment gateway. Here, you will find all the payment gateways currently supported by PaymentForm.io. In this tutorial, I will use the bKash Personal Payment Gateway as an example. Now, click the Connect Now button. Enter a name for this connection. Next, enter the phone number associated with your bKash personal account. If you would like to add multiple phone numbers, simply click the Add Another Phone Number button. Next, write your payment guidelines here. Click the Connect button. Once the setup is completed successfully, you will see a confirmation message. Your bKash personal account is now successfully connected to PaymentForm.io and is ready to be used as a payment gateway for your fundraising checkout page. Next, write a short, warm confirmation message that donors will see after successfully completing their payment. If you want to display your organization's terms and conditions directly on the form, go to the Terms and Conditions section and enable the Terms and Conditions option. Next, you can also set up automated emails for both donors and your team. Donors will receive an immediate confirmation, and you will be notified of every new contribution. In the Invoice Builder, you can customize the invoice sent to each donor by including your organization's name, details about what the payments support, and any tax-related information your donors may need. You can integrate tools like Metapixel or Google Analytics to track your form visits, donor behavior, and donation activity. If you want to keep your fundraising form private, you can easily enable the password protection option and set a password. In the Form Status section, you can keep the form enabled, disable it at any time, or set it to expire on a specific date for campaigns with a deadline. After configuring all the settings, click on the Save and Preview button. Step 5. Share your fundraising form. So, navigate to the Publish tab. Here, you will find 4 convenient ways to share your fundraising form: via a shareable link, an embed code, social media, or a QR code. Now, I am using the Share Link option to publish this form. Here, you can see that your fundraising form is fully set up and ready to start collecting payments. Now, I am filling in the required information and making a small contribution to support the victims using my bKash personal account. Step 6. Track and manage all donor information and payment records. Once the payment is successful, a confirmation message will appear, and the donor will receive a secure Magic Login link via email. Now, open your email and click the Approve Now button to verify and complete your bKash fundraising payment. Now, open your payment form submission dashboard. Here you can view all incoming contribution-related information provided by donors, including their name, email, phone number, message, transaction amount, and invoice details. Everything is organized in one place, so you can easily manage your fundraising records without the need for a separate spreadsheet or CRM. Finally, donors will also receive a detailed payment confirmation email containing their payment summary and invoice information. Your online fundraising form is now fully set up and ready to collect payments securely through your bKash personal payment gateway with paymentform.io. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.